to our last request. But before that, you guys can send in your music video request by logging on to mixph.com. So para sa mga request ninyo yan. And of course, it's our time to read. Because my mix is always about reading requests. Wala talaga direct pumapasok, blanco. Anyway, eto na, from For Real Pascual. Hi po, AJ from the East. Also known as Mix Celebrity VJ Alex. Ha ha ha. Idol po kita. Ni-request ko po yung break free dahil kamukha mo si Ariana Grande. Oh, really? At alam ko pong idol nyo rin siya. Simula nung nasa PBB ka, lagi kitang pinapanood sa live stream. Ha ha ha. Hindi nakakatawa yun pero natuwa ka. Okay. Continue inspiring other people, lalo na yung pagpapatawa po na nagbibigay ng good vibes sa amin. Bago niyo po i-play yung video, can you sing a little bit of Break Free? Thank you, yeah. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you for that request. I enjoyed that. Anyway, thank you for sending your message, guys. Mixph.com kung gusto niyo po makapag-request dito sa My Mix. And I'm Alex Gonzaga, your Mix VJ, Celebrity VJ for the month of June. Okay, before that, syempre yun nga, kakantayin ko muna yung Break Free. Fifth, can you help me? Break Free. Ikaw yung kumanta ng Break Free. Umupo ka kasi gutang ulo mo, pagutan ka dyan. Go, ano yun?
Pag narinig ko, ayun.
Break Free. This is the part when I say
I don't want it. I'm stronger than I've been before.
the part when I break free, 'cause I can't resist it no more. This is the part when I say I don't want it. I'm stronger
than I've been.
Kasi ikaw kayo mag-melody, ako yung mag-Ariana. This when I break free, 'cause I can't resist it no more. Ang galing mo, husay mo, bro. Anyway, ito na po ang Break Free ni Ariana Grande.